Hello there, my little friends. My name is Bella, and I am your friendly narrator for tonight's wonderful story. Are you ready to embark on a fantastic adventure filled with laughter and valuable lessons? Great. But before we start, I have a little favor to ask. Could you please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel? It would mean the world to us. And remember, if you stay till the end, there's a special lesson waiting just for you. All right, let's begin. Once upon a time, in a land far away, there lived a gentle giant named Jumbo. Jumbo was not like other elephants. Whenever he sneezed, funny things happened. The birds would fly in circles, the monkeys would jump up and down, and the squirrels would scamper away. Jumbo's sneezes were powerful and had a magical touch. One day, Jumbo's sneeze blew away a little mouse's hat. The mouse was furious and shouted, "Hey, watch where you're sneezing, big guy." Jumbo apologized and promised to be more careful. From that day on, Jumbo tried his best not to sneeze, but holding in a sneeze is like trying to hold back a waterfall. One afternoon, while Jumbo was taking a stroll, he felt a tickle in his trunk. He knew a sneeze was coming. He tried to fight it, but it was too strong. Achoo! This time, Jumbo's sneeze blew away a small umbrella that a rabbit was using to protect himself from the rain. The rabbit shouted, "Oh no, my umbrella!" Jumbo felt terrible and said, "Sorry" once again. But the other animals were getting annoyed with Jumbo's sneezes. They held a meeting and decided to find a solution. They gathered all the wise animals in the jungle, including a wise old owl, a clever fox, and a thoughtful turtle. After much discussion, they came up with an idea. They built a giant trampoline that could absorb Jumbo's sneeze. Now, whenever Jumbo felt a sneeze coming on, he would jump on the trampoline and let it out. The trampoline would bounce the sneeze gently into the air. The animals were thrilled with the solution, and Jumbo was relieved too. He could finally be himself without worrying about causing chaos. And the mouse, the rabbit, and all the other animals learned that it's important to find a way to solve problems instead of getting angry. They realized that sometimes even the quirkiest things about us can bring joy to others. And that, my dear friends, is the lesson of our story. It's okay to be different, as long as we find creative ways to embrace our uniqueness and make the world a better place. The end. I hope you enjoyed this marvelous adventure with Jumbo the Sneezing Elephant. Remember, always be true to yourself and find joy in your own special talents. Until next time, stay curious and keep dreaming big. Good night, my little friends.